Hey everyone, it's Adriana and welcome back to another recap video. This is Systems Programming Week 3. Week 3, that's where it started to get hard, difficult, and frustrating. There was the usual 2 lectures. Both were 2 hours each this time because it was covering difficult concepts. The first lecture was on file input output, and PG2 covered this a little bit. It covered text input output. Now with systems programming, they covered binary input output, and for the first lab, it's all about having to use binary input and output. And then the other lecture was on doubly linked list, and I still haven't fully grasped the concept of these linked lists yet. The lecture, I felt like didn't cover too much on it, and I watched the lecture, but I still felt very confused after, and I'm very scared for that lab. My grade currently sits at a 96. I did get the grades back for both of week 2's labs. I got my grade back first for lab 4, the inheritance lab, where I had to create a bank app, and that was a 97. And then it took a little bit longer for lab 3, the helper library, but I did get the full 100 points for that lab. And then as far as the labs for this week there is 3 labs. Lab 5, 6, and 7. Lab 5 is on the binary file input output. Lab 6 is on dynamic memory. And then lab 7 is on the doubly linked list. Now, lab 5, I've been having a really hard time with that. I haven't fully figured it out yet, and for now, I'm just going to take a break on it. And then lab 6 took me several days, but finally, I figured it out. And with that one, you had to fix the memory leaks that they purposely put in the lab for you to go figure out and fix. And it took me just having to realize that I had to basically delete a lot of the variables that had new in it. And I'll go a little bit more in detail on that later on, but hence usually having to use new, and then mainly just deletes the new keyword that's put into the memory leak. Lab 7, I have not started yet. I am going to start it, but for now, that will be it for this recap video. This week has been a lot of frustration, whereas the first 2 weeks were fine. I wasn't really that frustrated. This week, though, it got me. But that will be it for now, and I will see you guys in the next lab reflection video for week 2's labs, and then the reflection videos for these 3 labs once I get all grades back for these labs. Thanks for listening, and have a wonderful day. Bye!